Winners stay sharp. Can you identify the roundabout sign? Correct answer, B. Only focused drivers get this. Guess the stop sign. Correct answer, C. You're built for this. Identify the T-junction sign. Correct answer, A. Confidence is key. Can you guess the no entry sign? Correct answer, C. Great drivers notice everything. Identify the pedestrian crossing. Correct answer, B. You're in control. What does the yield sign look like? Correct answer, A. Stay ready, stay safe. Can you guess the traffic signals ahead? Correct answer, C.